Alright, we were just playing Hard Hat CTF, and then those are the three kids that we were just playing. Vodka, Instinct, and Slayola. And then they hit me offline, like Rab and Bush are still playing Hard Hat. But it won't let me do anything. Like, none of my internet's working for anything. Oh, I just got disconnected, actually. That's good timing. Try to connect here. Give it a second. Can't connect to Xbox. Let's test it. This is kind of like when you get hit off, none of your internet works, and Google Chrome's not working either, and Google Chrome always works. And I can't connect to Xbox even though we were just playing Hard Hat Search, which was the last map.